Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. So first of all, I got to tell you, if you were watching the last video and I seemed annoyed when I was cutting the insulation, right? It was because I could not find my utility knife. And so I was using another thing that was like a box cutter type of thing. And I was just like so annoyed doing that. So anyway, so there's more to that story. But I got all the insulation in around the windows. I got insulation up through here. Now that part is done as well. So I started reorganizing in here. Okay. And so obviously having a nice cold one while I'm doing it. So I wanted to start with this counter and getting this counter cleaned up. It was a mess. A lot of the stuff that was on the counter was able to go into the cupboards, and there's still more room in the cupboards if I need it. But so a lot of stuff went in the cupboards. Those are just, egg crates over there. And then this is another light that we were going to use. And then obviously it's a canning pot. So and then these here are actually, this has got to get washed, so I just left that there for now. Flat wood starting fires. But so I did all that and got that part cleaned up, and then I came over here and I was organizing this. And on top of this box here, that's where my utility knife was. And guess who the moron was that left it there? It was me. I'm the moron that left it there. But that was over in this area here. Because when I was cutting, I must have set it down, and then I didn't put it away. But so I cleaned out this whole area, this corner here. That up there's got to still be organized better, which I will be doing that. I'll organize that better. And, I still have all of this to figure out, and I'm gonna be working on that as well and getting things organized. But what I did is, like, a lot of any screws or tools or zip ties, that all came over here. This bag is just all plastic bags. That's going to go up into the loft. One of the things that we have here, and these we had, obviously you may recognize that plastic. That was the plastic that we had around on the windows before. So I'm going to figure out where we're going to save those, obviously. Then we do have Mylar bags here, okay? So there's 100 pieces of Mylar bags. We are going to be utilizing the Mylar bags to put all of our oatmeal, pancake mix, pasta, all that's going to go into Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers and be sealed up. So just kind of wanted to show you that as well. So it says 35 pieces of 11.8 mil, 1 gallon, 45 quarts, 20 half pints, and oxygen absorbers are in here. And so there's all that is there. So we definitely will be utilizing that. We will be getting things packed up and all that type of stuff. So one of the reasons that I wanted to clean up in here, next weekend is a get-together weekend. And I wanted to be able, we're going to be doing like our Thanksgiving thing next weekend. So I wanted things cleaned up and looking nice and opened so that when we're moving around and we're doing stuff, we can. I just put this board over on here for right now because, we can set stuff on that board if we need to. When the time comes, we'll probably turn it so it's more centered on that tote there. This tote here is just all canning stuff. So, eventually a lot like that will go up in the loft. That doesn't need to be down here. So I just set it there for now. I'm working on a bag of cat food, so when that bag is empty, that bag will go in the house. But like I said, I got to organize this here, up here, and what else? Like I said, I'm going to get all this organized so it's opened up more, cleaned up more. But like I said, getting all the stuff insulated has been huge. It's just another step of getting things done. Now, what I was thinking, excuse me, inside, like we have all these extra pieces of all these, we could piecemeal that in front for the windows to seal that in, just to kind of give you an example. I mean, not that that piece is going to go there, but do like that, and there we are. So I think that might be a possibility of what we'll end up doing. So we'll see, because that was the ceiling pieces. Or we'll get more of the wall pieces like we have on that wall there and on the back of this wall here. Eventually, okay? So eventually there will be a sink here that we'll be able to utilize. Over here, like we have the cabinets here, we will have cabinets below and above on that wall eventually as well. More storage, being able to keep stuff there, and all that type of thing. So that's kind of where we're at with this. It's so nice, honestly, guys, to have it coming together. To be as far along as we are. Last winter, the plastic had broken and it was blowing in and the wind was blowing hard, and it was just it sucked. Okay, I mean, it really sucked. Now I had to laugh at somebody. And we're gonna go outside and I'll show you. So somebody was like, "Oh my God, with these, when you open them in the summertime, you should have screening." So obviously they haven't watched a whole lot of videos, because there is the screening. The screening is still there. We will obviously keep that there, and so in the summer when the weather's nicer, we can open up these 3 here, pop them open. Now somebody was saying, in the confined space you could have problems with carbon dioxide and yada yada. Okay, I have windows here, guys. I can always crack a window and I think that once we get a full crew in here with the body heat and the wood stove going, we will be having to crack windows anyway. So that's kind of the thought process with that. But really happy how this part right now looks. It looks fantastic. And like I said, I'm going to be organizing more. I got that open. It's got a bunch of cardboard already in there and some paper. And I am going to get a fire going in here because it is actually starting to cool down. But yeah, so getting this, and I'm going to continue cleaning things, organizing, figuring out where I want to have everything be at, and go from there. But like I said, this right now looks like a mess because I haven't touched that yet. But we will, and we'll get things, like I said, we will get things organized and get things squared away. But much nicer than it was, especially the counter. Looks so much better. And I cleaned it all off and sprayed it all down with a bleach, and so cleaned all that. Now obviously if we were going to use that for next weekend, we would clean the surface again before we use it. But yeah, so good day, productive day. Got all this insulation in. And that's kind of what I wanted to do today, and then I wanted to get started on cleaning up. And so when everybody comes next week, it should look so much better, very much more organized, and we'll be in a lot better shape. So that's where we're at, folks. And so obviously the wood is going to stay in this area. Now eventually I would like to, back here, have a cabinet back here, like from floor to ceiling kind of cabinet, again, for putting more stuff. And then still have an area, right? An area, like we could put a cabinet from this point here against the wall over, or even do a whole cabinet. Probably not the whole thing, but a partial one, and still have an area to stack wood. So that's kind of where we're at. That's what we're working on. And, like I said, definitely looks much, much better. I still got to do the plastic vapor barrier on everything, and then eventually we will have the walls, covered and everything as well. So, like I said, just a work in progress. All right, folks, I am going to jump off here for now. I hope you're all doing fantastic, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.